For 72 seconds, something out there spoke. And then it never spoke again. In the summer of 1977, a radio telescope pointed at a silent patch of sky picked up a signal so strong, so strange, that the scientist who found it circled it on the printout and wrote one word in the margin. Wow! We have been listening for it ever since. It has never come back. The signal came from the direction of Sagittarius, a region crowded with distant stars, far beyond anything we could ever reach. It was narrow. It was focused. It was exactly the kind of transmission we had spent decades hoping to detect, and dreading at the same time. For 1 minute and 12 seconds, the telescope held it. Then the Earth turned, the sky moved on, and the signal slipped away into silence. Here is what unsettles the people who study it. Natural objects in space are usually messy. They roar across many frequencies at once, the way a storm fills the whole horizon with noise. This was the opposite. It sat on a single, clean band, almost as if someone had chosen it on purpose. As if it had been tuned. So they went back. Again, and again, and again. They aimed the same telescope at the same coordinates for years. They brought in newer instruments, sharper ears, more patience than seems humanly possible. They found nothing. Whatever it was, it spoke once, and then it was gone, leaving behind a single sheet of paper and a question we still cannot close. The theories arrived quickly. Some believe it was a comet, quietly leaking hydrogen gas as it drifted through that part of the sky. Others point out that the comet idea has problems of its own, and that the timing never quite fit. One theory suggests a stray reflection from Earth, a signal of our own making bounced back to us at the worst possible moment. And some, carefully, quietly, refuse to rule out the possibility that for 72 seconds, we were not alone. The honest answer is that no one knows. Not the believers, not the skeptics, not the scientists who have spent their entire careers staring at that one printout. The signal was real. The recording exists. And the source has never been explained. Tonight, somewhere above you, that same patch of sky is turning again. The same stars. The same silence. And maybe, just maybe, something is still out there, waiting for the next moment to speak. We do not know if it will. We only know that once, it did. If you find yourself looking a little longer at the night sky after this, you are not the only one. Subscribe to Unsolved Lens, and keep looking closer. Because some questions were never meant to be answered. They were only meant to be asked.